Hi, and welcome to video 8 of the Microsoft Office tutorials with Incredible Connection. I'm Rera, and today we're going to look at how you can use Office 365's OneDrive to speed up your workflow. OneDrive allows you to access your files anywhere, share large files with ease, and seamlessly collaborate with others. This allows you to store files on your PC, the internet, and the cloud, making it easy to access your files on multiple devices. Talk about convenience. When you open OneDrive for the first time, you'll be greeted with a selection menu for which files you'd like to sync to your personal online storage platform. After you've selected which files you want to sync, OneDrive will then create a special OneDrive folder on your computer. Anything you place into this folder will be synced and shared across all your devices, making it easy to access your files on the go. Any files synced in this manner can then be accessed on any compatible device by simply downloading the OneDrive app and logging into your Microsoft account. Any changes you make will then be synced across all devices, allowing you to pick up where you left off, no matter what device you use. Another added benefit is the ability to access and edit your files from a friend's computer through their internet browser. All you need to do is follow the link in the video's description to onedrive.live and log into your Microsoft account. From here, you can access and edit your files right within your browser. With OneDrive, you can easily share files with others by selecting Share from the drop-down menu. Once you've shared a file with a user, you'll then be able to collaborate in real time, allowing for multiple people to edit a document at once. How's that for group project efficiency? And that's Microsoft OneDrive. Keeping track of your files has never been easier. For other tutorials on Microsoft Office 365 and all its other great products, be sure to click on the description below. Remember, life is better when you live connected. See you soon.